So today's adventure is cicadas.
Yes.
Did you hear that sound out there? That's brood X. Those cicadas have been underground for 17 years.
So they must be around here somewhere.
Yeah, they're all around us. Yeah, so 17 years they've been in the ground. This is like the really big. It only happens once every 17 years that all these cicadas, this many cicadas comes out.
17 cicadas coming out of the ground.
All 17 years. Oh, there's more than 17 cicadas. Did you hear what Mom said earlier?
Yes.
There could be as many as 1.5 million cicadas in every acre. That's a lot of cicadas, buddy. Can you hear how loud these cicadas are?
Yes.
Wow, they're everywhere, huh?
Yeah. I use my hands as a necklace and see more. See, they're way up there. See? Look.
What do you see?
It's a million.
Whoa.
A million.
Yeah.
Just covering these trees. It looks like they're flowers, but it's not flowers. It's cicadas.
What do you think about all the cicadas, Matt? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what? Is there a cicada on me?
Wow.
It's a cicada.
Oh, hello.
cicada.
Beautiful. Look at those red eyes. They're actually quite beautiful, aren't they?
You see its eyes?
Yeah.
Wow, golden wings. So it's as loud as a food blender out here. 85 decibels.
85 decibels. It
decibels.
sounds loud.
This is not even the loudest spot.
78, 80 decibels. That.
The food blender.
What do you hear, Max? You hear me. So you see all these holes in the ground, Kai? That's where the cicadas were living. They crawled up from under the ground. Yeah, that's what all those little holes are.
Look, this is a cicada with nothing on it. See, that's a plain cicada.
Oh yeah? Did you find a shell, a cicada shell?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look.
See all those holes?
That's a shell. This is a cicada shell.
Whoa! Wow! You want to walk down there? All right, walk down. Oh! What's that? Whoa! Careful, don't fall in. Why do you wish we were cicadas?
So we can fly in the air.
So of course we can fly in the air.
And land on other people.
And land on other people, is that what you said?
Yes.
And of course the adventure is not complete without
The world's best root beer float.
What do you think of your root beer float there, Kai?
Good.
Good.
And it also tastes like ice cream.